Hey guys, did you know hackers can spy on you through your webcam? Scary, right? Well, today I'm here to help you keep your webcam safe from hackers with 5 easy tips. So let's dive right in. First up, use a webcam cover. It's the simplest and most effective way to protect your privacy. Just cover the lens when you're not using it. Easy, affordable, and it blocks unauthorized access. Next, check app permissions. Be mindful of the apps and websites asking for camera access. Only allow trusted apps and double-check your settings regularly. Don't let just any app have access to your camera. Third, update your software. Hackers love outdated software because it's easy to exploit. Keep your operating system, antivirus, and webcam drivers up to date for maximum protection. Regular updates can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Fourth, enable your firewall and antivirus. These tools are your first line of defense against malicious attempts. Make sure you have an active firewall and a reliable antivirus program to block any unwanted intrusions. Finally, disable the webcam when not in use. If you don't need it, turn it off. This reduces the risk of hackers controlling your camera remotely. It's a simple step, but very effective. So, to recap, cover your webcam, check app permissions, update your software, enable your firewall and antivirus, and disable the webcam when not in use. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech safety tips. Stay safe and see you next time.